It was kind of a tale of two drug giants in today's trading session. Dow components Merck and Pfizer, both reporting their results, but they were digested quite differently by investors. Merck shares popped 5%. That made it the best performing stock on the Dow today, while Pfizer's fell. Bertha Coombs tells us the challenges both companies face and how Merck managed to come out on top, at least today.
The strong dollar is hammering the global pharmaceutical industry, yet Pfizer still managed to top expectations while warning that the dollar will hurt sales for the year.
The only thing that they lowered their guidance on this time, basically by about $500 million, it wasn't that much, was all currency. So again, it's currency effects. We saw it with J&J. You know, we're seeing it now. We saw a little bit with Lilly last week.
Merck's sales were also impacted by dollar strength, but the second largest U.S. pharma giant's revenues were well above expectations, helped in part by hedging and by strong sales of its specialty drugs.
It was mixed related to new products. And if you think a lot of the areas, the hot areas, you know, whether it be HCV or oncology or vaccines, Merck's participating in all of that.
Investors were also encouraged after Merck reported positive trial results showing its diabetes drug Januvia did not increase heart complications. This is particularly good news for Merck, since an FDA panel has recommended that competing treatments carry warning labels for cardiac patients. For Merck and a number of drug makers, a strong pipeline of new drugs, some through acquisitions, comes after years of declining sales due to expiring patents and generic competition.
We are seeing the fundamentals driven by good old-fashioned innovation and new drugs coming to the market, which are improving the lives of patients.
For Bristol Myers, sales of its cancer treatments, Yervoy and Opdivo, more than offset currency headwinds. And even at Pfizer, new cancer treatment sales were strong.
The Ibrance number, which is a new breast cancer drug from Pfizer, came in at $38 million, and that was only in, that was in the very early stage.
Analysts say pharmaceutical companies are set to reap the benefit of a whole new cycle of drug introductions, with a number of specialty treatments in the pipeline. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.